Well, it looks like this is the last few days with this Shelby GT350. I've had it for over 2 years, and I've had it listed for sale for the last few months. I've had some interesting offers. Someone offered a kidney at one point, and there was pretty good amounts. It's just nothing that I would want to let this thing go for with this Whipple supercharger on it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is removing the supercharger and keeping it for my next build and selling the car as stock, because that is the best option as far as money wise. I just don't want to give away a free supercharger, and I don't think people realize that superchargers right now are pretty hard to get. Lead time is pretty crazy right now, so someone really missed out on a car that was already, you know, at 950 horsepower, but it's all good. So I'm not going to reveal the price, how much it's selling for, but I'm actually making money. I've had it for over 2 years, and I'm actually making money on this car, and I'm selling it in stock form. So the Whipple supercharger is coming off. It's getting programmed back to stock, and it's going away. So I think if I have some time, once I get to the shop, I'm gonna throw it on the dyno just to play for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna start removing it. So let's go. I am gonna miss this car though, and I'm serious when I say someone offered me a kidney. For real, someone actually wrote me that, and I hope they were kidding, but I don't know what the value on those are. Maybe it was a good deal, who knows. But anyway, so this was my favorite car that I've owned until this day, and I purchased it over 2 years ago for $44,000 locally. It was used with 10,000 miles on it. Now it has 20,239 miles on it, and it's been a little bit over 2 years, and it's time to move on. I usually don't keep my cars this long, but this one has stuck around because I really like it. Like, I have no complaints about this car. The only reason why I'm removing the supercharger is because I just don't feel like giving it away for free. I mean, it's a $10,000 upgrade that someone's missing out on, but it is what it is. I guess I'm just gonna have to get another one of these or a Mustang GT in the near future, and that's the plan. I'm really gonna miss this car. I had some good times in it. I took it to Cletus and Cars at one point with my wife, and it's been fun, and it's gonna be hard to let this one go, but it's just time to move on. So let's get going. Well, that was a fail. I don't know why, but the dyno's not reading any numbers. It just keeps saying error, error over and over. Tried to run it a few times and it didn't change anything. So I really need to get this thing dialed in, the dyno itself, so I could put the Crown Vic with the Godzilla in it back on here and start playing with the tune. I know I've been saying that in my videos, but I actually need to do it. I need to find the time and just do it, because that project is just keeps getting pushed back. But it sucks. I mean, at least I got to run it on the dyno. It sucks I couldn't get any numbers on this dyno, but it's alright. I'm gonna go ahead and start removing the Whipple. I'm not gonna record much, maybe a few clips here and there, but I'm sad. Andrew, I'm so sad. Because I don't want to sell this car. Why? No. Like taking my time removing this.
It's not the car, it's the supercharger.
See if both of your hands fit in that supercharger. Double fisted. Yeah, see?
Pause. Hey yo.
Dude, that's big.
Gotta be quick.
Gotta be quicker than that.
See that video?
Yeah.
Gotta be quicker than that.
First start, stock, Whipple tune. Let's see if it starts. You gotta prime the fuel probably because it was dry. Forgot to hook up evap. Alright. Try it. What's the problem?
Dried up injectors?
Maybe. Try again. Alright, I guess just flash it. Maybe injectors are dried up. It's been over a year. I had that problem before. Alright, try it. Sounds weak. Flash back to stock. No more Whipple. Yeah. It's alright. That thing will go on something better. Well, this 2016 GT350 is 100% back to stock. I just got to remove the stickers, and that's about it. It's been idling for a few minutes. I'm gonna take it on the test drive, make sure there's no codes, and this thing will be gone. So sounds boring. I'm gonna check the coolant. Wow, this thing feels like it has no torque at all without the Whipple. It's an interesting change. Definitely feel the difference. Wow. Like I'm driving. Still sounds good, but it just doesn't have that torque and the power. So, I mean, it's alright. It's still a fun car when it's stock. It's just when you experienced it for over a year with the Whipple on it, it's just not the same. But it still sounds good. Right now it's in sport mode, and you know, it actually, you know, feels okay. Like it's still fun to drive, even though it's not Whippled. It's still fun to drive. It's controllable power. Whipple is just insane power. Like every time you get on it, it just, you know, sometimes it's like you just hope for the best, not to like lose control. But this is a good everyday car. So that's that. I mean, stay tuned for more videos. This car will be going away, but there's more to come. That Whipple supercharger I removed off of this one is just gonna go on to the next build, and it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Later.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God.